1. 1967 Ford Galaxie Fastback, $1,500, Imperial, California. This 1967 Ford Galaxie Fastback is a rolling shell priced at $1,500. It has no engine or transmission, but includes most parts and a clean pink slip. The body is in great shape with minimal rust, just 2 small patch areas needed. The floor is solid, and it comes with extra parts, a great candidate for restoration. 1969 Ford F100 Custom Cab, 1,850 Golden Valley, Arizona. A 1969 Ford F100 pickup truck featuring a 5.0-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. This classic workhorse has had only 2 owners and retains its custom cab styling. The seller is firm on the price, making it an affordable entry into the world of vintage trucks. (1968) Ford F-250 Crew Cab Short Bed, $7,500, Van Nuys, California. This 1968 Ford F-250 Crew Cab is a solid classic truck priced at $7,500. It features an automatic transmission and a recently serviced drivetrain. Updates include new brake system components, calipers, water pump, alternator, and more. A great find for anyone seeking a vintage Ford truck. 1966 Ford Mustang Hardtop, $5,000, Inglewood, California. A 1966 Ford Mustang project car priced at $5,000. This classic pony car runs and drives but needs work to be road ready. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, shocks, fuel tank, radiator, solenoid, and coil. The seller lost interest in the project, making it a great opportunity for an enthusiast. See Ford 1969 Dodge Dart, $4,500, Tucson, Arizona. This 1969 Dodge Dart 4-door sedan is available for $4,500. It features a new front suspension with a disc brake conversion, a Ford 8.8 rear end with a 3.73 limited slip differential, and a straight body with minimal rust. It runs but needs tuning. Comes with factory trim, new weather stripping, and extra parts. 6. 1969 Dodge Coronet 440, $7,500, Panorama City, California. A 1969 Dodge Coronet 440 with a clean title and current registration, priced at $7,500. It features a powerful V8 engine and automatic transmission. The car is in running condition with plates valid until April 2025, ready for a new owner to take it to the next level. SOC 7 1955 Jeep Willys CJ5, $6,000, Wilton, California. This 1955 Jeep Willys CJ5 is a pre-smog off-road classic, priced at $6,000. It features a Chevy 350 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low first gear, and a Willys frame with a 70s CJ5 body. Runs but needs a carb rebuild and new tires. Perfect for a project or off-road adventure. (8) 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $8,500, Gilbert, Arizona. An original owner 1980 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $8,500. This survivor car has 68,000 miles and runs and drives excellently. It comes with original paperwork, including the title and window sticker. The air conditioning works great, and the car has been well maintained with recent service at Chevrolet. Starred at 1963 Mercury Meteor, $7,000, Marina, California. A 1963 Mercury Meteor, daily driven and priced at $7,000. It features a newly rebuilt 289 V8 engine and a freshly rebuilt 3-speed automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include new tires, brake components, power steering, and an electronic distributor. A reliable classic with minimal rust and working gauges. Dot 10 1968 Chevrolet C30 Longhorn, $4,900, Delano, California. A 1968 Chevrolet C30 Longhorn project truck priced at $4,900. This classic Chevy is running but requires further restoration. A rare heavy-duty pickup with plenty of potential for a full rebuild. '11 1960 Dodge Dart, $5,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1960 Dodge Dart is a 2-owner car priced at $5,500. It was running when parked and has received new parts, though it still needs finishing. The body is in good shape with minimal rust, making it a solid project for any Mopar fan.